Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the Forex centimeter. Let's talk about the Forex centimeter first for the next couple of seconds. In the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 36% retail traders are on the short side. They have taken sell position, whereas 63% retail traders have taken long position. They are on the buy side. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So always keep in mind that market usually move against the sentiment of the retail traders. Market always move against the retail traders, and this is the main reason why retail traders 90% retail traders lose money. Those 63% are on the buy side and 36% are on the sell side. But if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then we can easily see that we do not have much movement on the market right now for the last couple of days. Okay, market is sideways. There was a big movement. Okay, then market again came down, and again we can see that market is trading in a very narrow range. Yes, market is trading in a very narrow range here. Before I proceed with the Euro USD chart, I would like to talk about the DXY chart because understanding the movement of US dollar DXY is very crucial and important for Forex market. If you're trading on gold USD or GBP USD, whatever you're trading, okay, if you are trading or if you trade on USD pairs, then understanding DXY is very important. Okay. So DXY is also not giving us a much promising moves right now, but surprisingly, DXY is taking support at the level of 95.50 to 95.40. When market broke the support here, I thought that it was gone again, but when market moved up, right now it is trying to rebuild its old support, and yes, it is working. But previously 95.50 was the last support, but here we have a right now we have a range of 95.50 to 95.40. Okay, and right now market is trading here at 95.63. So there we have two possibilities here on US dollar. First of all, dollar will take support and bounce from here, or dollar will break the support and dollar will go down. So the movement of US dollar DXY is very important for GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold USD, all USD pairs. Okay, and there is a possibility of going up also. Okay, but market is full of surprises, shocks. We never know. Okay, what may happen in the market. Always, if you are new to the chart of DXY US dollar, my dear friend, keep in mind when dollar goes up, we generally see Euro USD going down, and when we see DXY or dollar going down, we generally see Euro USD going up. If you don't notice, then please backtest the data, check the chart of US dollar and Euro USD. You will find the correlation very well. Okay, so keep your eye on DXY for the next week. Now let's talk about Euro USD at last. Sorry for for boring you. The last traded price of Euro USD is 1.1343. This is the last traded price, and the range is same. If you have watched my previous videos, then yes, my dear friend, you can see that nothing have changed on the chart of Euro USD. 1.1350 to 1.1380 is still acting as a resistance for the market. We can see that on Friday, previous days also, it market has failed to cross the resistance level. So it gives us the clear cut indication that yes, the resistance of 1.1350, 1.1380, this resistance zone is still a very strong resistance for the market. So until and unless we see US dollar DXY breaking the support and going down, we will not see market your Euro USD breaking the resistance. Okay, it will be very hard for Euro USD to break the resistance and go up. It will remain on side only, sideways only. Okay. And on the downside, we have support zone at 1.1300 to 1.1280. This is the support zone for Euro USD. See, this is the support zone. This is the support zone for Euro USD. In case market comes down, then definitely this level will play a role in the market. And in case there is a heavy fall in the market, if you see sudden sell off in the market, then keep your eyes on this level 1.1235 and 1.1220. If you are a Euro USD trader, if you love trading on Euro USD, then my dear friend, this level should be very important, and this level deserves a spot in your chart as well. So mark these levels just to understand the movement of Euro USD, because as I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Okay, because if you trade here and there, you are just risking your hard-earned money. Okay, a trader does not trade, okay, until and unless the opportunity is right, the time is right. So be a trader, not a gambler. As I just said, the levels are intact on Euro USD 1.1350 to 80 on the upside. If market reverses from this level, you can take a sell position, and if market comes down and bounces from the level of 1.1300 to 1.1280 and market bounces, you can take a buy. If it breaks the level, if you see heavy buying on DXY US dollar, then you can also take a sell position, and ultimate support at 1.12302 to 1.1220. These are the important levels for Euro USD. And my dear friend, do not trade without confirmation. Confirmation is the insurance of traders. So how will you get the confirmation? For taking a sell position, if you see price rejection from above, that is the confirmation. For taking a buy position, if you see price rejection from below, if you see a hammer pattern, bullish engulfing pattern, that is the confirmation for you. That's the support is still valid. Okay, and for the additional confirmation, yeah, I've been talking confirmation, and please keep your one eye on the chart of DXY, because DXY US dollar plays a huge role. So my dear friend, hopefully you have understood what should be a strategy for Euro USD, and this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. If you think that I have missed few points, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. For my wrong analysis, for bad analysis, you should not be losing your 50%, 60% capital. Okay, in fact, the professional traders, institutions around the world, they risk only 1%, 2%, 3% only. So you should be doing the same. Be a disciplined trader. That's it. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday.